trying not to get blown off.
Hello?
Bro, slots for Kudremukh trek are available. Are you in?
I'm in. We were on an overnight journey from the city. I'm headed towards the serene landscapes of Chikmagalur. Arriving at 6 a.m., I'm eager to explore the beauty and the rolling hills the region is renowned for. The crisp morning air and the promise of breathtaking views are already invigorating. This escape offers a perfect blend of travel, tranquility, and adventure. Good morning, guys. I'm up, but he's asleep. Oh my god. That's what medical internship does to you. Okay, we are at Kudremukh. I mean, we are close to it. I don't know where we are exactly. Cause where are we, bro?
We are lost and found.
We're lost and found. But yeah, we are going to trekking, and we are trekking to Kudremukh. This is his first proper trek, right?
For first time.
He just woke up, and it's raining, and we're getting wet. Rain, go away! I want to get wet another. We had to switch to a pickup truck because our bus hit its limit. It couldn't go any further. Zaki, that's a ride.
Let's get on.
Yeah. I look like Jadoo.
Look like the mini Jadu.
So Zaki, क्या plans हैं?
कुछ नहीं, ऊपर जाओ,
सो जाओ. Medical students dream, bro. Like dental, medical, same thing. I almost dropped the camera.
Middle. We are either on top or below.
You're
Where
below.
is the middle? It has nothing to offer.
बहुत सारा experience राघवा. Zaki, इधर देख.
I'm trying not to get blown off the.
Sounds wrong, but okay. And wow, the road was definitely not paved for comfort. But hey, we reached our spot eventually, and it was totally worth it. We made it to the base camp, and this, are our tents. I'll show you our tent. Here's Zaki that's sleeping. Zaki, wave. Zaki. And I'm here. I need to fresh up. We're not gonna do trekking on day one. We're gonna be doing sightseeing. Okay guys, this is the homestay, and this is where we are staying. And I'll give you a little tour. So let me give you a tour. Hold up. So this is like lodges if you're not an adventurous person, and if you're an adventurous person you can go in tents. Ignore the hanging clothes. This is the view. I should say beautiful view. And there's Zaki. I don't know what he's doing, brushing his teeth, keeping clean. Nice one. And yeah. So I fell off this ledge though. And I hurt my thumb because it's like slippery and rainy. I mean, it's constantly raining since I got here, so. Zaki bhai, ready?
Good to go.
Good to go. We're having our breakfast and then we'll go. After breakfast, we set off to trek to the viewpoint. I think first we're going to be going to some viewpoint, and after that we're going to be going to a waterfalls. But I feel we came across a waterfalls already. Look at that. That little stunt cost me water filling inside my waterproof shoes, and since they are waterproof, they're not coming out, they're inside. I can feel water just like flow inside my feet. Okay, look at that. Hi there. He's having a moment. I'm enjoying Nilkaranji flowers. They blossom once in 6 years, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're only found in Chikmagalur.
Yeah, they only found in Chikmagalur and a few places in Kerala, by the way.
They look sexy, bro. I have a pic of them.
We're at the viewpoint and look at that. Just beautiful. Let him put on this raincoat, but he did it. That right there is Kudremukh. Behind the clouds you can see a shadowy figure, and
I'm the knight who's gonna ride the Kudre.
yay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Chalo.
I got my earphones playing in the background.
Why do you want earphones?
I want earphones.
Enjoy the music of nature, buddy.
I'm used to this one. This is
Fair
my
enough.
escape. I can't do anything.
It's mine too. But when I'm around this is music to me. The wind, the raindrops,
Good one.
the ruffling of trees.
Okay, I don't have a t-shirt. Except one. Oh, do you see that?
The day concluded with a relaxing pace, conserving our energy for the next day and the exciting adventure ahead. So we are back at the camp stay, and there's no network or anything anywhere. No Wi-Fi, no data, nothing. We're just secluded in this place where this, continues to rain for a long time. And what's the next best thing? What could we do other than, worry about network? not worry about network at all. I mean, the next best thing is sleep. So we went to have some snacks, some tea, some Maggie. And we're going back to base camp, which is just right there. He's going barefoot, raw dogging that shit in. In the next vlog, we take on the much anticipated Kudremukh trek. This is renowned for a trail to be challenging and breathtaking at the same time. And I'm looking forward to experiencing the natural beauty and also pushing my limits. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with someone who loves to go on treks. And I'll see you in another video.